This 116-year-old family heirloom wedding dress is incredibly unique. This gown was worn by Ruth Carr Gerhard in 1914. She spilled coffee on her dress before taking the wedding photo, but she still looked amazing. Interestingly enough, this gown had lead weights sewn on the bottom of the hem, which was a common occurrence during the early 1900s to help pull the skirt down slightly so that it hung smoothly and prevented clinging. Due to the fragility of this gown, we have to be very cautious during the soaking process. So Bill starts a pre-soak with Protective, which, as the name suggests, helps to protect the fabric during the cleaning process. Then he starts a sodium perborate bath. Now, due to the age of the fabric and the perspiration stains, Bill has to be extra careful during this part of the process, gently submerging the dress and checking on it every 30 minutes. It only ended up soaking for an hour before Bill pulled it out. As you can see here, the perspiration stains caused the jacquard silk to disintegrate. So, Bill chose not to push this dress any further and begins the process of rinsing the gown before hand washing it in a peracetic acid detergent. After rinsing the dress multiple times, it's time to let it dry. Only this will look a bit different than normal. Because of the delicacy of the fabric, the dress is dried on towels, being rotated periodically over the course of 2 days. Once fully dried, it's time to rehydrate the fabric by dry cleaning it. Only this will also look very different. Due to the fabric's age, Bill fills the machine with solvent, opens the door to flip the dress, lets it drain, and then hangs it to dry for 4 days. By not extracting or using the petromizer, the gown receives the most minimal agitation as possible. And once it's fully dried, Bill starts the process of pressing. Despite only soaking in perborate for an hour, this dress came out incredibly well. All of the coffee stains are gone, the oxidation removed, weights put back on, and now this precious family heirloom is ready for its future home in a South Dakota museum. From a wedding in 1914 to a museum in 2025, this dress proves that love, craftsmanship, and care can truly stand the test of time. And now it will continue its journey, not down the aisle, but into history itself.